Welcome to Puckle Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today I'm going to pick this beautiful, shiny, super shiny BRL. It's part of a deadbolt, so there's two of those. Scored them from a salvage yard. I'm going to be picking it with this Tag 5 Industries. Got out of this little kit. Won it from Legal Lockpickers Live. There's your picks in it. Took me a fair while to sand them all up to get them ready to play with. There's the other one, the swoop. Put the 3D handles that Series 3 sent me. They fit it nicely. Alright, so I reckon there might be standard pins in this one because I have difficulty picking it. Now I'm picking as part of Downundermonkey's 80-day challenge. He's challenging himself to pick a lock every day for 80 days. In tribute to his son going into the Australian Army basic training for 80 days. So in support of him doing that for his son, I'm going to pick locks as well. So I won't be doing 80 videos, one a day for 80 days. It's not going to happen. I'll be doing one video every now and again and showing off the locks that I have been picking. And the prize at the end of it, you get to be a better picker. Because I need some incentive to pick locks at the moment every day. Because I haven't been able to find the time to do practice or anything. So this is my practice picking. So I've never heard of BRL as a brand. It just caught my eye at the salvage yard because it was shiny and had a black body. And it's had some graphite in it. So I might try the swoop. Don't know what they actually do call it, just looks like a swoop to me. keep dropping. Such a tricky way. That circle up the top doesn't let you put a tension wrench up the top, it just falls straight into that hole. You have to do it down there, and that's really hard to control it from not slipping out. Reckon mine just might be a pin away. Go. Well, that was a toughie, wasn't it? 7 minutes, truth. Alright, let's see what's inside. I just need to stand up for this. Out the way. What I thought was really cool about this as well, look at this, it has to hold a kick cylinder in, so this is like a kick holder. I thought it was really cool. Top. So if you don't have a holder for your kick cylinders, you get one of these and does it all for you. How cool is that? I've never seen one of these before. I thought that was really cool. Okay, frogs, how's it going? Got the audience happening. Wonder if this will work. Not too big. No. Oh, don't look up. Oh, it's going backwards. That's alright, that'll hold it. Oh yeah. One of those. A pin. So there'll be a little spring. Maybe not. Okay. Get this upside down. Let's try and turn it the right way. Alright. Skim it. Follow it Pin's coming out that way. Whoa! Check that out. Ho ho! I haven't had a lock like that before. That is really trippy. That is cool as. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pinner. Little construction bead or something in there. What's that in? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, very cool. Okay, let's drop these key pins out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Doesn't look like anything else is done to the core, but beautiful looking core. Look at that keyway. Trippy as. So when you try and put your TAK, it's just like, if one go down there, otherwise you just, no purchase. Okay, let's look at the top. Go to the back first. Whoa. Okay. There we go, that's a master pin. Standard. Yep, another master pin. Standard. Not quite standard, it looks like might have a slight bevel on it. But I don't think so. Okay, that one's just a standard, no master pin. Drop those 3 out. Standard in 1. Master pin and standard in 2. No wonder it kept dropping and it was, you know, felt like you were setting stuff all the time. That's another master pin in 3. Springs. Right. This looks like a normal core. Cut from the straight edges. It's cut down like that. Very cool, very cool, very nice. Okay, let's take a look at this. All standard. There you go. That's your BRL. Thanks for watching, everyone. Good on you, Downundermonkey, supporting your son in this way. Stay legal, everyone. Temptation is everywhere.